Memorandum pidamlo, lapen Karbianglong, ASEAN handa pidamlo, lasologot, DC hoipen, memorandum kipali di panitu, Prime Minister Hanstame Panonglo, alogot, Home Ministry Home Minister Hanstame itu Panonglo, Minsap Hanstame, lapen itu ladak, Chief Minister, lapen Governor Hanstame, alo kipali hansi itu DC hanfilo, DC bang cicak dono lahaya lomokan ini yang bongkan kado kare forwarding CPC ke pali jitan sidak CM handa me price koi lo so arlo tu kichi toge ho jate ja itu kado kare MOS sign jan sistem में Karbianglong hala banke nonan kusame ke claim ke dabi bhag abar sai ko sonai ma hala peng na mena da son sido Nasi Congress party sabang ke aprang foreseeing TCM ke rules tame je nona bank ke 244 bank ke nang sondo ke implement di ban si house long same ti papas lo lapen time to time bank ke akas tame state good alam bank ke Congress ke bank ke je la bank ke nang sondo ku akas tame interior basi so MOU ji togder di tame Karbianglong hidup ke mang Once ki plane nahi ma ki mang nahi ma once ki plane nahi ma chok ke dado jene si nono banke beside 244A banke itu ki claim ke dam nahi an same pa plane je khana ki sum do lasi 244A pe na ke koma banke itu ma banke jitu kais tame support do delo lasi ke nang sodo office tame peace record ke chitog ye tum phan la pen la peace jitu mainstream ke bang phan ke alang itu phan chorolo alang tum ke bang ko talang tu kici tong ye talang tu jitu main and objective aprang hele kaman god ho upi salang tu ke mang ma ala so teng ban chalang tu jedo thip se ke meji Karbianglong la ke mang tek kusi dan dili tu hoi pen ke alang ni tu man chuning ri lo ke chani tu man stame lapen Karbianglong district congress committee hoi stame le tu jitu aning khang la so teng kis paklan lalo nang le tu man ini press release bangke dekhe koi nang ke hang ye lam theke Arjulonglo non binangan organization tu elek ada song tu non sarkar pe logi chitok yalam tu Arjulonglo kita chalana le ke hoye besta me asila so chitok ye ho kupiti ko sonangi ma ala solam ke alang chini lo office ame Karbianglong District Congress Committee pen hois tame PC ni kahama ala so paklan sido jido aslada press release hisab do ha English press hisab e boila samen pori ko press release 16/6/2021 Karbianglong District Congress Committee the Karbianglong District Congress Committee KADCC welcome the long-awaited proposed peace agreement to be signed shortly between the Gulf of India, the Gulf of Assam, and the 6 rebel outfits, the KNLF, the KPLP, the PDCK, the UPLA, etc. of Karbianglong, for the cause of peace and development of the district at the same time. The KDC also congratulates the 6 militant groups on their lying down of arms and ammunition to join in the mainstream of the society for a noble cause. In regard to the final peace pact agreement, the Congress party is optimistic that the militant groups will uphold their aim and aspiration for the very spirit of their sacrifice and stick into the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India for creation of an autonomous state within the state of Assam for the people living in the 6 scheduled areas of the hill districts in the state beside any other political fact. The economic pact, etc. The Congress party is always with the ideology of unity, peace and development, supporting the demands for autonomous statehood to topmost priority for achievement. The KDC also has lamented for not included the long-standing autonomous statehood issue in the previous two accords, that is MOU and MOS signed in 1995 and 2011 respectively. where the creation of an autonomous state within the state of Assam under Article 244A inserted in the Constitution 22nd Amendment of 1969 has been totally denied. As the autonomous statehood issue is the main root cause of militancy confronting the hills people of the district in Assam, the said accord had become futile and impractical and could not solve the major problems of the hill district permanently. In this connection, the KDC has apprised the central government, the government of Assam and the authority of Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council, KACC, and urged upon them through this memorandum submitted through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi-Anglong District to consider for implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution for creation of autonomous state on topmost priority in the peace accord to be signed, and the characteristics and the interests of the sixth schedule of the Constitution of the Hills people living in the Hill District of Assam shall be protected 100% in all respect.